good. So
amazing.
such a good girl today.
We haven't had a boo-hoo.
Oh no, there was. There was, yeah.
Oh, yeah, but
There was quite a loud one.
only when you took the paper out of her mouth. How could you?
Well, he told me to.
I was at the serviette.
No, she wrapped the paper, but I don't know why you told me to take it out.
Because I thought she'd choke on it.
You won't choke on it. You didn't choke on it, would you? No.
Probably
But I
would,
think I may have scratched her when I did it because she didn't. It wasn't a bit of an annoyed cry. She cried as if I'd hurt her.
Yeah.
So I think I may have scratched her mouth.
Lovely time.
She was. That was good paper, wasn't it, Matilda? It was good paper. It's only over here.
Oh, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. This person doesn't smell right. Shall we put you on the floor?
When did you start teething? Is it coming up?
Yeah.
It looks like it. Has she got any teeth?
No, she hasn't got any teeth.
Looks like it's close by the way she's
Yeah.
showing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Memory looking at
I know it does, doesn't it?
Those pink little cheeks. Always sure sign of teething.
And the chewing on her.
Yeah.
This is what the paper was from.
Oh,
I know. She would have worn that today if we'd had it yesterday.
So who gave you?
These are from Tony and Nico and Kiara.
Kiara told me that
Kids were very enthusiastic. Are you going to open the present? I said, oh, we're going to open them later. And they kept on asking me, are you going to open the present? So I said, well, Matilda might like to open her present.
So have you